Hi guys, how are you all? Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I am sharing a haul, a little haul. I'm gonna share my shopping with you as well, but let's have a tour of Fabric Land. And I went there. This is one of the best fabric stores where I shop for my fabric. So let's have a look what's in there. And this one is from Mississauga at Dundas Street. So there is a good sale going on if you want to go and have a look. Anyways, I will see you at the end of the video, and I'm gonna share with you what I got. Alright guys, let's start with the real Fabric Land. Okay, so what I have here is I'm at the kids section right now. What I mean by the kids section, they have like a beautiful patterns going on here, and this is the fabric what I buy for my kids especially, but you definitely they have like some beautiful patterns and some fun fabric if you want to create the night suits, nights pajama suits for yourself as well. But besides pajamas, you can try it with the blanket cover or something like that. I will create few stuff out of there from the Fabric Land store. What I got I will show you at the end of the video, but after that I have to go and grab few other stuff, and then hopefully I will show you from the other locations as well. But right now I'm at the Dundas Street Fabric Land, and hopefully in the description box I will share the address just in case you want to go there. All right, so why I was in the Fabric Land, because not because I just went there for the vlogging purposes. No, I went there for my niece and nephew matching dress fabric. So my sister, she asked me that she has decided to have a tutti frutti birthday party for her son, and she asked me to create something, some kind of matching outfit for her daughter as well. So I went there, and I was looking for this stuff, and I was like making videos that because there was like some crazy beautiful stuff going on, and I was so confused that what kind of theme she's having, because I didn't see any decorations or anything like that. So I was just looking around, and I was sending her videos, and then I decided to just make a vlog, and why not share with you all guys. So the fabric I was showing you before in the white and the black dotted fabric, which we call curry, chicken curry fabric in Pakistan, in my back home, and it was really beautiful fabric, and that was the fashion right now at in my back home. And I wanted to make some beautiful kurti out of it, but it was so expensive. Like if I get just for one kurti fabric, it was like just $70 just for the fabrics. So I decided not do not get it. I just said no, 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 Mona, I'm not getting it right now. We'll figure out something else. So I divert my focus from there again to the kids section, because I couldn't find inexpensive, like under my budget kind of fabric. It's not that I couldn't find it, it's just because I have like some specific budget in my mind that I didn't want to spend more than that, because just for the birthday, and I wasn't sure. I never saw her wearing a shirt, proper dress shirt, because I think he doesn't like it. He always on the t-shirt kind of zone. But because we had to make the matching outfit, so I was going for the short sleeve shirt. All right, so the fabric you're seeing with the ruching on top, it's really really cool fabric. All you had to just uh, do like few steps, and you can create a beautiful dress in 5 minutes. All right, this fabric I'm showing you right now, it has a sparkle on it, and I was looking, my daughter's birthday was coming soon too, and she loved sparkles and pinks and things like that. But so I was thinking about why not getting this one for her. Then she said she liked Barbie, and I was like confused that okay, should I buy it or not. So I was just okay, I really like it. Again, it is expensive. It was like $19 or $22, in between that range. It was that much fabric for per meter. So I said just leave it alone. Then I saw these stripes and beautiful different stripes. So they have like a, they are in the ombre colors, they are in bold colors, and they are in neutral colors. They're like beautiful stripes, and stripes in tie and dye. You know, these kind, they don't get out of the fashion ever. And this is the section where which I was talking about, like they have it for the season. They have like a beautiful fabric collection for season 2. What I mean by the season is, I meant holidays or some special occasions going on. And these are little thick, but these are again cotton fabric, and I am just here showing you. I didn't want to buy anything. Again, there was a Barbie, but I didn't know that we had to stick with that plan, so I was like, just decided to just leave it for now and move on. And then I saw these beautiful candy fabric, and they have like a heart, and you know, you can make something out of heart for Valentine, maybe, I don't know, or something like that. Anyways, after those beautiful fabric, I just wanted to just capture a quick look around the fabric store, and just to give you guys an idea that what kind of prices you can expect when you go there. All right, so this is again why I am mentioning you that where, in which location I am right now, is because in different stores there are different fabrics on sale. Some of the fabrics they have on the damaged items. So right now I am at Mississauga, and in Mississauga, then I never find any damaged piece. They are really really good and nice people there. If I have like a um for example, if they have like a piece for 1.25 yard or something like that, and I just wanted 1 yard, so they're the ladies, they're like, okay, they're 1.3, I'll give you just like that. uh and I know that for that specific project I don't need extra point 0.3 yards, but in my some other projects I can use that fabric, so I always appreciate extra fabric. I'm one of those people who always appreciate extra fabric, and these are on sale items, so you can grab something from $2 to $4, and sometimes on $6 as well. But on the regular fabric also you can get 75% off, 65% off. Okay, I was talking about different locations. So this location is amazing, and I always go there because they're the people, the customer service is really nice over there. And when I went to for I think 1 or 2 times I went for the Brampton branch. Okay, so I was looking for the fabric for the bathrobe, and uh, the fabric was on sale. It was a $4 a yard, $4 a meter. And I asked a lady, okay, she said it's a damaged piece. She told me that, and I was like, okay, that's fine, I'll get it. So she showed me the damage was really in the middle of the fabric, and it was like a $6 a yard. And she showed me I only needed 2 yards, and then she told me that, you think you can work on the 2 yards because it's damaged in the from the middle. I said I had to cut it anyways, but I think the damage is really big in the middle, so I'll, instead of 2 yards, I'll get 3 yards. And when I see the on the third yard, the again the damage was really good, and I said, no, I don't want to pay for this. And she should have, because I think that was fair. She could have offered me, instead of lowering the budget, the price, she could have told me that she'll give me 1 yard or half a yard extra. Of course I would pay for it, but you know, if the damage is really big, then if you would offer something, then the customer feel like, no, we should pay for it, why not pay for extra yard and something like that. But she was like, no, it's all like that. And I asked her if she can check from the other side, and she said, no, it's all the way like that. And I was like, okay, don't, no, I don't want it. So instead of being rude, she could have offered me something or suggested me something, right? From the same area, she could have suggested me. She's like, no, all of these are the damaged pieces. And I was like, okay, whatever. I don't want to pay for this stuff and go through again and find a good good pattern, and then again it's damaged and she couldn't offer me anymore. So I was like, okay, whatever, I will go to other location and find something else. So by the way, I will show you how to make a bathrobe, and I got the stuff already, but I will share you in my upcoming video what I made. Anyways, they have like a beautiful collection of laces and ribbons and elastics and patterns and whatnot. So yes, you can match buttons, elastics. They have like a different kind of interfacing, light to heavy, very light to very heavy. So yes, you can get that too. If you have a membership card, then you get some extra percent off. But I never felt like that I have to pay $100 a year and get, because I know what time I have to go and things like that anyways. So as I promised you, I will show you at the end of the video what I have got for my niece and nephew. So let me just show you that. All right, before going there, I just wanted to share you that you can get anything from here, but some items are really expensive. I never get needles from here. The sewing needles, I never get it from here. The pins, I never get it from here because they're crazy expensive. They're like $8 for a pack, and I feel like no. Instead, I get it from Walmart, which is like I get it from Walmart from $3.45. Sometimes they're on sale for $1.97. So yes, I get it from there. But if you want to, if you sew a lot like me, then I would suggest you to get it from Amazon or some other bulk market. They have like a 20 needles pack or 15 or 32 needles pack, depending what you want to how often you use it. But I think if you get like a bundle from there, then you would save a lot of money. So that was just a suggestion, and now let me show you what I've got. All right, so I have two little nieces, one daughter of my own and one nephew. So this is what I get for my nieces and for my daughter. I wasn't thinking about having anything for my daughter because I was like, okay, uh, if she doesn't match, that's okay. I'll just, make something for her for a compliment from the complementary colors, okay. But at the end of the all the project, I had one piece left and I used that piece and I created a beautiful outfit for my little one too, but I will share that in my some other video. So this fabric already has the ruching. If you don't have the ruching on the fabric, then you can just use the elasticated what do you call elasticated thread, and you can do the same ruching. Anyways, moving on to the next one. This is what I was thinking to create a shirt for my nephew because I was thinking that that fabric is very girlish. So I was thinking that I would use this one for his birthday shirt, and the colors were kind of complimentary, right? But anyways, I was so confused, so I got like, I think I got two extra fabrics for my nephew, and I was thinking whatever would look nice with the decoration and everything, I will go with that. And this last one, it's a tissue fabric, and I really like the colors and everything to create a skirt for my little girl for her birthday, but then I changed it. Anyways, this is what I had. This is what I got from the shopping. So this is what I got, and this is what I had for my little niece and for my daughter and for my nephew as well. So I hope you like it, and I'm gonna share what I made out of these, and I will share in my next video. Until the next time, you guys all take care, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.